welcome back to Limon's Kitchen. Thank you once again for coming back to my kitchen. Guys, in this video we are going to prepare groundnut soup. So guys, we have our groundnut and tomato paste. We are going to make a mixture of the groundnut and the tomato paste. We are going to mix everything together and add water to it. So guys, you add hot water to your groundnut and tomato paste and you make solution. So with this solution, you are going to put the groundnut paste and tomato paste solution on the fire. You are going to cook it until you get oil on top of the groundnut. So guys, you are going to whisk the solution so that there will be no lump in the solution. You are going to whisk it carefully. So we have our groundnut paste on fire. We are going to still whisk it. You are going to whisk so that there will be no lump. You are going to whisk for about 20 minutes because we want the groundnut to be already cooked before we use for the soup. So it is already getting thick. So you continue whisking until you see oil on top of the groundnut. If you see oil on top of groundnut, that means the groundnut is well cooked. But you still have to still cook it. So you see a lot of oil on top of the groundnut, then you notice your groundnut is well cooked. So we will start up with our main soup. The groundnut is already cooked. So this is my frozen meat. I forgot to put the meat down before I started this soup. So the season that you are seeing is our natural spice, onions, ginger, garlic, pepper and spring onions. I've blended everything together and added it to my meat. I sprinkle little salt on it and added nutmeg. So I'm going to season this for about 10 minutes. You cover it so that it will boil for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I got to know everything is okay. But I'll still go ahead and cover it to boil for extra 5 minutes because I want the natural spice to be well cooked. After covering it to boil for extra 5 minutes, you add your tomato, liquid tomato. After adding the liquid tomato, you cover it to cook for extra 5 minutes. So after cooking it for extra 5 minutes, you go ahead and add your groundnut paste. This is the groundnut that we fried. You add your groundnut paste and you mix it together. You add everything. Then now we are going to make our soup. Depending on the quantity of your family, so you add water to the soup depending on the quantity of your family. So I'm not going to add much water. I'm going to add little water to my sauce, then cover it to cook for extra 10 minutes. So guys, it is now for me to add my cow leg. This is cow leg. This cow leg is very strong, so I boil it aside. The cow leg, both the cow leg and the salted pig feet, the nani. So I'll add the sauce to it after adding the cow leg. So I'll go ahead and add my salted pig feet. This is nani, and this meat contains a lot of salt. So that's why in the beginning I only sprinkle little salt to my meat because this soup contains salt. If not, I'm going to spoil the soup. This is nani salted pig feet. Kindly watch out for the video. I will drop the video soon so that you go and watch how I make this homemade nane. This is very nice, how to preserve your nane, your cow leg, for a very long time. So finally guys, the soup is ready. My soup is ready to be served with Ghana fufu, special one. If today is your first time coming across my video, I will plead with you to subscribe to my channel. Leave comments in the comment section for me, please. Let me know, request a video. I'm there. Kindly request a video. I'm there to deliver it for you. You see how delicious the groundnut soup is. Very delicious and tasty. The aroma is everything. The aroma is everything. Very, very delicious. You can look from the face of the soup. So tasty, especially the salted pig feet, the nane. Oh my god, it's been long I took this nane and I'm not going to spare this food at all. So guys, finally my food and husband food is ready. See soup, see better groundnut soup. This tastes so good, very delicious, very, very delicious. So thank you guys for watching to an end. God bless you. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.